Hi everyone! Today we're going to learn how to create charts by using Google Sheets and also how to calculate the average of a group of numbers. So let's suppose we've done a survey about favorite animals. So let's zoom in first. Favorite animal, and here the results. The options were lion, dog, cat, and horse. And the answers are 5, 9, 7, and 3. Okay, creating a chart is as easy as you're going to see. You select this or this. Google is intelligent enough to know what data it needs to use. And now insert chart. As I have zoomed in, it is very big, but you can make it smaller and place it here. Even smaller. Here it is. Okay, Google has considered the pie chart is the best chart for this group of results, but you can pick another one. For example, if you want the column chart, you only have to select it. Okay. Here you can edit as many things as you want. For example, you can customize the chart style and make it 3D, which looks pretty good. And well, here you have lots of options, but you can also edit those options from the actual chart. For example, you click here and you can change the title text directly from here. Also the title font, the size, okay, or let's make it smaller. This, the color, well, there are many things that you can edit. In the case of a pie chart, in Customize, you can also make it 3D in chart style. But also in pie chart, you can click on the donut hole and select, for example, 50%, okay? And you make something like this. Here in Legend, you can also, instead of using these labels, you can use left, and here you have this. You can also change the colors of them one by one. You can also do this in the column chart, but be careful. Well, if you accidentally close this, click here, 3 dots, edit the chart, and you have it here again. If you select, for example, one column, as you see, I have selected the 4 of them. So if you want to select only one, click here again, and now you can change the color of it. Okay? Well, so I encourage you to try all these options that you have here because there are a lot. Okay? And something very interesting, very useful that we have here in Google Sheets is this. Here with this chart, I can copy the chart, and I can take it, for example, to a Google Slides, okay, to a presentation that I have here with Edit, Paste, or Control V. I can paste it here, and I have one option, which is Link to Spreadsheet. What does it mean? Here I have my chart, which is linked to the chart in this spreadsheet. If I change this, and I come back here, when I refresh, I will have here the option Update. If I update from this spreadsheet, you see, now we have the current results that we have here. So this is very, very useful. And now let's see how to use the function average. Here we have the list of 10 students and the marks they've gotten in a specific exam. So if you want to calculate the average of these marks, that's very easy. I'm going to write here average. This is not necessary, but I'm going to write it. And here in a blank cell, I'm going to insert function average. Or if you want to make it faster, here in functions, you select average. I'm going to select these 10 numbers. I press enter, and here I have it. 6.8 is the average. So very easy. Alright, so this is everything I wanted to teach you. I hope you found it useful. See you guys. Bye bye.